My name is Sophie. I'm a teacher, and I work at a school I love. Teaching fills my days with joy. My students are bright and curious, always eager to learn. Their enthusiasm inspires me to do my best every day. Last year, I met Ethan, a new math teacher at our school. He was kind, funny, and easy to talk to. I enjoyed his company, and soon, we started spending more time together. We shared jokes, talked about our dreams, and even helped each other with lesson plans. At first, I thought Ethan liked me. He never mentioned having a wife, so I assumed he was single. I started to feel something for him, and I thought he felt the same way. But one evening, everything changed. I was at home preparing for the next day's classes when my phone rang. A woman's voice greeted me. "Hello, is this Sophie?" she asked politely. "Yes, this is Sophie," I replied, feeling a strange sense of unease. "My name is Claire," she said. "I'm Ethan's wife. We've been married for 6 years." Her words hit me like a thunderbolt. "What?" I stammered, unable to process what she had just said. "I love Ethan, and I don't want to lose him," she said, her voice trembling. "I thought you should know the truth." I felt a rush of emotions: shock, guilt, confusion. "Why are you telling me this?" I asked, my voice barely a whisper. "I saw you two together," Claire replied. "I realized he hadn't told you about me. I wanted to be honest with you." Claire sent me pictures of their life together: vacations, family gatherings, and quiet moments of happiness. As I looked at them, tears welled up in my eyes. I thought about the time I'd spent with Ethan and how much I had come to care for him. "I had no idea," I told her, my heart heavy with regret. "I'm so sorry." The next morning, I knew I had to confront Ethan. I found him in the hallway and asked if we could talk. "Why didn't you tell me you were married?" I asked, my voice filled with pain. "I didn't know how to," he said, avoiding my eyes. "I was scared you'd stop talking to me." "That's not fair to me or Claire," I said firmly. "She loves you, Ethan. You should have been honest with both of us." "I care about you, Sophie," he said softly. "But I've made mistakes." I shook my head, tears streaming down my face. "You have to make a choice. You can't keep both of us in your life." Ethan didn't respond immediately. I could see the struggle in his eyes, but I had made my decision. "I'm walking away," I said, my voice breaking. "I won't be the reason for someone else's pain." The days that followed were hard. I missed Ethan, but I knew I had done the right thing. I leaned on my best friend, Emily, who reminded me of my strength. "You did what was right, Sophie," she said. "It's okay to feel hurt, but you'll heal." Her words gave me comfort. I decided to move to another city to start fresh. Before leaving, I reached out to Claire. "I'm sorry for everything," I told her. "You deserve honesty and happiness." Claire looked at me with gratitude. "Thank you for understanding," she said. "I'll always appreciate what you've done." In my new city, I found a teaching job at a welcoming school. Slowly, I built a new life. Weeks later, I received a message from Claire. "Ethan and I are working on our marriage," she wrote. "Thank you for your kindness and understanding." Reading her words brought me peace. I felt relieved, knowing they were trying to mend their relationship. As time passed, I embraced my new life. I made friends, found joy in teaching, and started to feel like myself again. One evening, while walking in the park, I reflected on my journey. I had learned so much about love, honesty, and the strength it takes to make difficult choices. I realized I was ready for whatever life had in store for me. Love would find me again, but for now, I felt proud of the person I had become. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.